Are you here to smash and grab? Okay, so we wanted to share with the viewers something we discovered. The Sentry Mode live view can only be viewed for X amount of minutes per day. You are limited to the amount of minutes you view the live feed. And after you reach that limit, you will no longer be able to view for that day. This is something we discover when leaving the live feed for about 20 to 30 minutes. I didn't really watch the time, but it wasn't any more than 30 minutes in total. So what we discovered is that Tesla is limiting the live view for Tesla owner. And for those that are thinking to replace your security camera with a Tesla vehicle, you might want to think twice if you constantly look at your security camera more than 30 minutes a day, or you need a live feed for X amount of time just to see what's going on in your residential or business area. Something to keep in mind when you are looking into this live feed with the Sentry Mode, you are limited. We do have the unlimited premium connectivity, and if you don't have that, you won't be able to live view anyways. So with that in mind, it's $10 subscription. I don't know if Tesla will roll out something in the future where they will charge more and you can live view for a limited time throughout the day. That may be a pricey alternative compared to looking at, let's say, a Ring doorbell or camera where you subscribe for $10 a month for unlimited cameras. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Catch you all next time. We'll continue to post more content of things that we discover from this new feature with the Sentry Mode. Remember to subscribe.